YouTubers, remember me? Oh yeah, Big C. Wow, what an amazing day this is. I mean, it's amazing. I know you can see my head, but you know not to worry. Big C always keeps himself hydrated. One more. All right. Well, it's the time that's come. What I love every single day. You ready to see it? Let's do it.
There he is, the man of the hour. Hi, people out there in video land. It's a good friend of ours. We don't go hungry with him around. We appreciate him.
You got Subway, BMT, and original potato chips.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate you.
As always, you be careful and be very safe out here.
Thank you. You too, buddy.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Thank you. You see, this is what I was talking about. Every single time I always do this, I can help. And even helping a lending hand, that's what I can do and what I will do. Like I said, I have loved this every single time I've gotten the chance. And you know, the first time I saw them and I've helped it, that's what I've been doing and what I love every single day. I will never, ever forget it. And until the end, feeding and giving food to the homeless, that's exactly what I'm gonna keep doing. Giving them food and feeding food to them too. I will never, ever forget my entire dedication helping the homeless. And this is what my entire dedication is to them and helping them out. To all you viewers out there, I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart for supporting me for all these videos and supporting watching them of the homeless. And as long as I keep it up until the end, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm feeling this win. Write me up and let me know what you think. Subscribe on the bottom and let me know what you think about this video and all the others. Till we see each other again, I'm Big C. See y'all next time. I'm out, gone, signing off. Big Mama. I'll be seeing you. I love you.